Most people waste their summer trying to relax when they're actually just broke and bored. If you're smart, this is your chance to make $300 a day using tools that are already in your browser. You don't need to show your face, code anything, or spend years learning a new skill. Here are 5 methods you can try out today. Method 1. Faceless AI videos are making more money right now than a lot of entry-level jobs. The first way is by clipping viral podcast moments. You find shows like Joe Rogan, Theo Vaughn, or Full Send. Look for parts where someone says something funny, weird, or controversial. Not random small talk, but something that already feels like a viral meme. Use a screen recorder or online video downloader to grab that moment, then cut it down using CapCut into a short vertical clip. Next, take a screenshot of the speakers and upload them to ChatGPT. Then say, send an image where you turn Joe Rogan into a talking duck that still looks like him in a UFC ring. Make it look realistic. You get a bizarre but hilarious image. Then go into HeyGen or similar tools and make the mouth move to match the audio from the podcast. You've just made the podcast clip a cartoon parody, which people love to share. Add bold subtitles and some fast zooms and flashes in CapCut to keep attention. That one video can go on 4 platforms at once. One clip has the chance to blow up on TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Facebook Reels, and Instagram Reels. Another option is to use AI voiceovers. Horror stories do really well because they keep people watching until the end. Use ChatGPT to create a short horror story with a simple prompt like, write a scary story about a couple driving at night in the 80s. Take that story, put it into 11 Labs, and generate a spooky voiceover with their best model. Then grab free stock videos of night roads, forests, and shadows. Throw those into CapCut, lay the voice on top, and edit it like a mini movie. Subtitles, jump cuts, eerie music. Upload that and watch the retention shoot up. These types of videos are super shareable and perfect for Shorts monetization. On YouTube, once you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can turn on monetization. TikTok now rewards watch time more than just views, so the more people finish your video, the better. Facebook also has Reels bonuses that are slowly rolling out worldwide. Your goal isn't to go viral on day one. Your goal is to upload daily, build a backlog, and let the platforms push your content over time. Method 2. Start offering copywriting services using ChatGPT. Pick a niche where people always need help writing. That could be fitness coaches, personal brands, or people selling online courses. These are the ones posting on Instagram every day but sending weak emails or none at all. Find a few of them and send cold emails that are short and not annoying. Use ChatGPT to help write a custom message like, "Hey Tom, I wrote a quick welcome email for your new clients. Thought you might like it. Here's the link." Inside the link, drop a simple email you made using AI. Make it friendly, helpful, and straight to the point. Even if only one person replies out of 20, that one can become a paying client. Once someone bites, start with an email sequence. Charge somewhere between $100 and $300. After that, offer more. Landing pages, ad copy, lead magnets, or a monthly retainer where you just take care of all their writing. It adds up fast. A few clients and you're already making $300 a day. Keep track of everything with Close, which helps you know who opened your emails and who ignored them. Method 3. You can build a product business without touching any inventory. The key is finding a product that looks amazing on camera. Something like a reflex ball, a levitating speaker, or even a pool cue shaped like a gun. These are fun, weird, and perfect for short videos. Once you have a product idea, use Build Your Store and Shopify's $1 plan to create a store. It builds everything for you using AI. It picks a niche, sets up a Shopify store, adds a logo, fills it with products that are trending, and connects to AutoDS. AutoDS handles orders, shipping, inventory, pricing. You don't touch anything. Just upload videos that get views. Order the product yourself. Film it with your phone. You don't need a fancy setup. Just clean lighting and a quick demo. Show how it works in a way that makes people want to try it. Add captions, sound effects, and post daily. Put your store link in bio. When videos take off, people click, buy, and AutoDS does the rest. If each sale brings you $10 and you make 30 sales a day, that's your $300. Method 4. You can use AI tools to sell digital skills without any experience. Let's say you choose video editing. There are millions of creators who hate editing. Offer to do their short-form content. Use CapCut or Premiere Rush. Add subtitles, zooms, fast cuts, and clean transitions. Or try thumbnail design. You can learn on YouTube in a weekend. Use Canva, Photoshop, or even AI tools that generate thumbnail ideas. Look for YouTubers who post great videos but have bad thumbnails. Reach out and show them a better version you made. If they like it, charge $20 to $75. Do 10 a week and you're close to your goal already. Another good one is video scripting. Use ChatGPT to write scripts based on the creator's channel style. Offer it as a service. Use prompts like, write a 60-second script for a TikTok on why sugar is addictive. Send that to health influencers and pitch a weekly script package. Track all your client messages on Close and offer retainers where you give them weekly ideas, research, and scripts. At $500 a month per client, 6 clients is more than enough. Method 5. Help creators land brand deals. Find creators with between 10,000 and 500,000 followers. Direct message them or email them with a quick intro. Say you help creators land brand deals and only take a 20% cut. Once they agree, ask for their media kit. If they don't have one, offer to build it using a Canva template. You'll need their audience stats, engagement rate, sample rates, and a few screenshots of their best posts. Then find brands that match their niche. Use ChatGPT to write outreach messages. Brands love when you speak clearly and show numbers. When the brand agrees, handle the contract, which you can find as a free template online, and then get paid. You're acting as the middleman. Creator gets paid. Brand gets content. You get 20%. If a deal is worth $2,000, you make $400. 2 deals a week and you're beyond your daily goal. Once you start making income, look at ways to invest and grow that money. You can get up to $1,000 of free stock with Interactive Brokers when you sign up using my link. It's a great way to start investing with real money after you've made it. Which of these methods will you try first? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.